Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers in LibreOffice in 2026. If you want to organize your documents, reports, or assignments professionally, page numbers are very important, and I'll guide you step by step. First, open your document in LibreOffice Writer. Make sure your file is ready before adding page numbers. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Header and Footer, then choose whether you want page numbers in the header or footer. Now click on Footer. This is the most common place to display page numbers because it keeps your document clean and readable. Next, place your cursor inside the footer area that appears at the bottom of the page. Now go back to the Insert menu again, then click Field and select Page Number. This will automatically insert page numbers into your document. Next, you can align the page number to the left, center, or right using the alignment tools in the toolbar. If you want a title or document name along with the page number, you can type it beside the number in the footer. Now check multiple pages to make sure the numbering is applied correctly throughout the document. Finally, save your file so all changes are stored properly, and that's it. You've successfully added page numbers in LibreOffice and made your document look more professional. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.